And with having said this, we then decided to run a boy child program and also assist young men who are youth in getting their lives together.
Peter NGO runs an after school program, and the gangster taking a kid from the street and making the kid belong to their program. At after school program, I do Taibo with the kids. It's like a fitness dance, but just use implement parts of it. I teach that to the kids, make them feel active, listen to the music, let them feel at ease with themselves, like moving out, moving side to side and up and down. And when I do it, I see actually everybody participate and everybody do the same thing, so they feel comfortable with the person next to. They don't feel discomfort. Or they're making the move wrong or is this wrong. They just enjoy themselves, and for me, I like seeing it. That expression on a person's face. It is, I can see the change I'm bringing to those kids, and this light I'm bringing to them, the positivity that I carry over and what I get from them. Because with kids, you can, sometimes you have a down day. With my table, you never have a dull day. I always use like myself as an example. I stay in the community. There is gangsterism in the community. There is drug abuse in the community. There is all of this in the community. All those problems you face in the community. But I didn't go that road. I just made a decision to decide, Mahmoud, enough is enough, and I, I made at ease. I'm at ease with myself. To I'm on the road to get on the road to my brighter future, and setting goals that I'm achieving, and through me I show them.
It is already a year, and I think 2 months that I'm in this program.